Welcome to week 6. This week we are going to discuss leadership inspire motivation. We're going to look at how an effective leader can motivate employees. The objectives of this week include to empower employees by your leadership skill, to engage employees in decision making, to recognize and reward employees when needed. First, let's look at why motivation is important. Motivation helps increase employees' commitment, which leads to productivity. Motivation helps to improve employee satisfaction, which leads to positive growth. Motivation helps ongoing employees' development by meeting the initial goals as well as raising to a higher level. And finally, it helps to improve the employees' efficiencies by balancing their ability and their willingness on the job. As a leader, how to motivate your employees? There are 3 ways you can motivate employees: by communication, values the individual contributions, and to create positive work environment. In communication, it is best to have a direct one-on-one communication, not via email, allowing time to ask and listen to suggestions the employees may have. Valuing the individual contribution by acknowledging employees' role, encourage them to take pride of their contributions, and constant praising can be helpful. By creating positive work environment, the leaders can collect feedbacks and address the issues the employees may face, and collect posts, encourage quotes, and put them in common areas where employees can see on a daily basis. As a leader, what should you do to motivate employees? Keep in mind that leaders controls the environmental factor. There are 4 ways a leaders can do to motivate employees. By understand what motivates each of the employees, combining their work goals and the employee's goal. A leader should lead by example by behave how you would like them to behave. And finally, develop a fair system for the workplace, including incentive, benefits, and reward. And most important, no favoritism. Leadership inspires motivation. Make sure that the leader daily communicate with employees. By doing that, you recognize the employees and make them feel important. Transfer the leadership optimism. That optimism and vision to employees could help drive the result. Leadership shares the vision by sharing your plan to a brighter future, including action plan. Leadership builds relationship. Leaders should get to know your employees and build the trust. That trust can be the foundation. Leadership creates purpose-driven goals by articulating to employees about purpose and design to make a difference. And finally, leadership nourishes the team by showing how you care for employees and make them feel honored and more engaged. As the author John Gordon of the book is called Soup, a Recipe to Nourish Your Team and Culture, Gordon said, if you believe that your team can do big things, they will believe it too. And that belief will fuel the fires of action and provide you with the result you are looking for. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and have a very productive discussion with the 3 questions provided in this lecture. Thank you.